Y'all want to see something cool? Check this out. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Big old boat of a car. 1978 Ford Ranchero Squire. Pretty unassuming. I really like the color combination on that. The silver and gray, two-tone, the trim around the color change. That's cool. Oh, this is cool. This thing's got the deep dish chrome wheels with the big wide tires on it, front and rear. Man, it's got big sway bars on it. It's been lowered a little bit. That's pretty cool. Nice tonneau cover. Covering up that utility bed in the back. Interior is pretty nice and gray. Really decent. It's got the sporty sunroof. That's cool. It just has a great stance to it, man. I like it. Big old boat front end on it. That hood is longer than the bed, but it needs to be. This thing's sporting a big block 460 Ford motor. That's pretty cool. I like it. Let's take a peek at that motor. That's pretty cool. Big block 460. Got the aluminum intake, big old Holley carburetor, Ford Racing air cleaner and valve covers. AC, well, that's definitely cool. Oh, what's that? Nitrous. Now that is cool. Big block Ford Ranchero with nitrous. And this thing runs really good too. It's got a solid lifter, flat tappet cam. So it's got a little bit of a tick to it at idle. You can hear it. It runs, sounds like a little sewing machine just sewing away. That's the valve lash that's adjusted. Gives you a little bit of a tick to it, but it's the way it's supposed to sound. It's got a stall converter in it. It's got some gears. This thing goes, man. I was told back in the day this was a reputable street racer, and it ran a 12 flat quarter mile. From what I'm seeing, I believe it. Now, these modern days, newer cars with your superchargers and your turbos, 12 flat might not be as impressive, but for this big old thing, I think it is. It's cool. I like it. So, keep showing y'all some cool cars. See y'all later.